Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. And today I'm going to be doing the world's first unboxing for the world's first portable drone battery charging station, specifically designed for the DJI Mavic Pro line. And before I get into the unboxing, I want to tell a little story. I have a good friend named Das. Some of you may know him from Opinions Matter. And he tells me to be more excited when I do reviews. So with that said, guys, I'm very excited to bring you guys the world's first unboxing. So let's jump into it. Look around the box and what we have here. So the brand is called Energen, and this is the DroneMax M10. They have bigger portable chargers for Phantoms and all that stuff. And what this does is it says it's a faster charging time than the regular DJI Mavic Pro charger. I'm gonna test that as well, and we'll find out. Also, this could charge up to 2 batteries, and it has a flashlight. Let's see the specifications. So it has a 99WH, it's a DC 21 watt, 13.5 watt output, and for USB it's 5 watt output. And right here, guys, as you could see, the M10 charges a single Mavic battery 20% faster than the genuine DJI charger. I'll be the judge of that. So let's jump right into the box. Alright, so you get a nice, I want to say not leather but rubber case. When we open it up, we got the charger. This is the one that goes inside the charger, regular outlet. And we have 2 DJI Mavic Pro adapters. Manual instructions, no one cares about that. And then we have the portable charger, guys. As you guys could see, it's not that big. Size of my hand. DroneMax. Let's see what we have here. We have the flashlight, we have USB output, battery output, and input. And that's it, nothing else. Alright, so now guys, since we did the unboxing and a little review about what it does, let's put this to the test and see if it could charge Mavic Pro batteries. Alright guys, so I got everything set up. I got the stopwatch right here. I got the 2 batteries, the adapter, and a fully charged, as you guys could see, battery pack. So when you press it, each line is the amount it's charged, so 25, 50, 75, 100. So I got a GoPro here as well. It's gonna record the whole time. As you guys could see, I don't know if you could see, but on the GoPro I have 1 hour and 24 minutes. This batteries usually take 1 hour and 30 minutes to charge, but 20% less. We'll see if that's enough. So let's get everything plugged in. Alright guys, so after the whole test, this battery charges two batteries 100%. And when I say 100%, that means that the green lights completely turn off. This is way faster because regular battery with DJI charger take about an hour 30 minutes just to get to 95%, and the last 5% takes about extra hour. So I definitely recommend you this product. This is a great power bank to take with you on the go where there's no electricity. So I hope you guys liked this review. Please follow, like, subscribe, and comment below what you guys think about this battery pack. And I will definitely see you guys on the next episode. See ya.